Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever tried to resize a calendar in Notion, you know it can be a little bit tricky. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple workaround to customize your calendar's size just the way you want it, whether that's widening it to see more details or shrinking it to keep your workspace tidy. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to control your calendar layout for a cleaner, more organized Notion dashboard. Let's dive right in. First thing you'll want to do is open the Notion page where you want your calendar to live. Now, to add a calendar, simply type / and then calendar view, that's calendar view, anywhere on the page. Notion will pop up the calendar block instantly for you. Here's where a lot of folks get stuck. You try to grab the edges and resize like you would with an image or an embedded URL, but you'll notice Notion just doesn't let you adjust the calendar size directly. No worries. There's a clean workaround for this. What you're going to do is create some columns to give your calendar the room it needs. Just below the calendar block you've added, type / columns. Notion will prompt you with options. Go ahead and select 2 columns. Now, you've got a blank set of 2 columns sitting right underneath your calendar. Here's the trick. Drag your calendar block into one of these columns. It doesn't matter which side, whichever feels comfortable for your workspace. Once you've placed the calendar into one of the columns, you'll notice you can adjust the size of each column by clicking and dragging the divider between them. This lets you expand your calendar to make it as wide as you like. It's a bit like adjusting the split between 2 browser windows. Just drag that border, and your calendar grows along with it. Take your time here. Sometimes the dragging feels a bit finicky, but with a steady hand, you'll see your calendar start to stretch out nice and wide. This is perfect if you've got lots of events or just want more visibility at a glance. But what if you're looking for a more compact calendar, something that fits neatly into a corner or a sidebar? Here's how you can do that. Just below your expanded calendar block, type / columns again, but this time select 3 columns. With 3 columns in place, drag your calendar block right into the center column. Now, the calendar has less horizontal space. Notion automatically adapts it to fit snugly in that middle area, shrinking it down to a nice, manageable size. Think of it like putting a framed photo in the center of a shelf. It stands out, but doesn't crowd the rest of your workspace. By tweaking the number of columns and adjusting their spacing, you control exactly how much room your calendar occupies. No complicated settings, just smart use of Notion's layouts. And remember, if at any point things look a little off, you can always drag to rearrange or delete and redo the columns as needed. Don't worry if you need to experiment a few times. Notion's flexibility is all about making your workspace your own. That's it. Your calendar is now resized just the way you want it in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions or your own tips in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more quick Notion tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.